not tech-savvy. You don't have to be. Computer literacy just means being comfortable using technology in everyday life. What is computer literacy? It's not about coding or fixing computers. It's about basic tasks like opening a file, browsing the internet, sending emails, joining video calls, using apps on a phone or computer. Skill Guide. 1. How to open and save a file. Click on the document and it opens. Want to save it? Click File gives Save. As gives Choose a folder, gives Name, it gives Press Save. You've just mastered file handling. Skill Guide 2. How to search online. Open a browser like Chrome. Click the search bar and type your question. How to bake a cake, or best job sites. Press Enter. That's using search engines like Google. Skill Guide 3. Sending a basic email. Open Gmail or Outlook. Click Compose. Add a recipient, subject line, message, and click Send. Why IT matters. Every job today expects some tech knowledge. Banking, learning, shopping, even health appointments, all need basic computer skills. Confidence tip: don't be afraid to click. You won't break anything. Each time you try, you learn. Start with YouTube tutorials or local workshops, or just ask someone younger. Closing computer literacy is like learning to ride a bike. Once you get the hang of it, it feels natural, and it's never too late to start.